I want to send this pack of crackers out to my friend, and I'm going to use the 5-layer network model to explain how this might be taken care of by the internet to send a packet of data. So me as the application, I'm in charge of the process-to-process interface. So I just need to make sure that wherever this is going, they're going to be able to use it. So I know my friend likes crackers. That's my job. I'm going to send this out to the transport layer, and it's going to need to put some stuff on it that's going to ensure reliability and end-to-end communication over that network. Even if my friend maybe speaks a different language, we'll need to know how to get that. So the transport layer, being that I'm ensuring reliability, maybe I'll model that as quality. So it's going to be airtight. And I'm going to hand that off to the network layer. And the network layer just needs to take care of the data route or the path. So pink bags, maybe that is going to signify maybe where this is going to end up going, like the data route. Get through there. I'm going to package that up in there so that when it gets there and we peel the layers off, we know what we're dealing with. It's a pink bag. And that network layer then hands it back down into the link layer. And this is actually where the packets are framed and addressed. So I'll put it up in this deceiving Bath and Body Works bag here to encapsulate it. And next thing that happens is we're going to send that out to the physical layer, and the physical layer is going to turn this into a byte stream, or even little bits streaming across the ether to get to its next destination. So this gets sent out to a switch that just is able to read the link layer and address where this is supposed to go to the nearest router. Okay, so let's say this little iPad here is our router. Well, when I get down into the router, what I need to do is I've got to peel off the link layer and see what the path is, that data route, and that's signified by this pink bag here. So I peel that open and I go, oh, okay, that's a pink bag. So I'm going to package it right back up because now I know where it's supposed to go. And I'm going to send that out. And it's going to reach its destination. Again, that it's going to hit that physical layer. It's going to peel it apart. And it's going to read that it was that pink bag, and this is going to tell how those packets were framed, and so it knows how to accept them and acknowledge them over the wire. And that bag comes off, and now we're down into that network layer, and it needs to pull that right out. It decodes that bag and hands it off to the that transport layer, which that's actually how it knows to get into this bag. And now we're back at that application layer, and this is, again, we're going to assure the process-to-process control, so the end user gets it, my friend, and he's able to open it up, which is the actual data packet right here, and have a bite. Cheers.